How are we doing today? I hope we're doing fantastic. This is kind of weird to make an introduction standing up because, you know, normally I'm lazy and I'm sitting down, but you know what? Today I decided to feel good and stand up for the intro. Just kidding, I need to stand up for the intro based on what's happening in today's video, because there's actually a point to today's video, unlike half the other videos where I'm just driving around and I'm like, let's just do this fun stuff, but this is actually like good. But basically today I'm gonna do another DIY because, you know, it seems like you guys really like them and I don't really know why you like them from me, just because I really don't know what I'm doing with DIY stuff. So but anyway, the last like DIY that I did, I don't know, you guys seem to really like it, so I'm gonna do another aesthetic DIY. I've seen this kind of along the lines of social media everywhere, you know, where people have like a mirror and then they make the background look all cool. Example. So I have an empty wall in my room, so I was like, why not do that here? So that's what's happening. We're making a DIY mirror wall, but you'll just see what happens. But anyway, I got this mirror from Target. Then I got like these command strip things that'll help the mirror stick it to the wall, because I don't want to nail a hole in the wall, because I feel like that would just go badly, because I don't know how to do home improvement stuff and I don't want to try anything with a hammer. We're using sticky things because they're easier. And then, you know, I decided to go on over to the FedEx store and print out some like aesthetic posters that I saw off of Pinterest. So what I did is I went on Pinterest. I didn't film this because it would be really boring. And I found like quotes and cute stuff that I thought would look good on the wall. I sent them to FedEx and then they printed them out, and then I went to FedEx. Don't you always feel like cooler when you have like your sunglasses on your head? That just gives you some like, that does not look good, but that just gives you some like, I don't know. It just makes you seem like you have like a goal, a motivation, a purpose. And then that happens and then you don't feel like you have a goal or motivation or purpose anymore. And I don't really know why I just showed you me going to FedEx, you know, it just is interesting. But here are the posters. Just to clarify, they're not actually posters. They're like pieces of paper that they're literally just pieces of paper. See, look how cute these are. I printed these out and I'm going to tape them to this wall with the masking tape, and then I'm gonna tape the mirror on. And I made a little mark on the wall for the mirror, but honestly I don't even know. I measured it with a ruler instead of a measuring tape. So if you're gonna do this, I recommend measuring it with a measuring tape and not just a ruler. Promise I'm not totally weak, I just can't open it because there's so much adhesive. And here's the mirror. So now I'm gonna try to attempt to hang this thing. I don't know how well it's gonna go, but we'll see. I don't know how to use these and I'm too lazy to read the directions. Let's just go for it. Watch the mirror just come crashing down. That's not even straight. That's so crooked. It's bothering me. Well, maybe you should have done it correctly so you didn't have this issue. Okay, I probably should have read the directions. There we go. I got one of them. Okay, I have a story time while I'm doing this because I think it's just going to be boring if you just sit here and watch me try to peel these things off of the strips. But basically yesterday, I went to Dutch Bros with my friend Isabella, as per usual. But Dutch Bros, of course, is like across town from where I live. But, you know, obviously still wanted to go there anyways, because, you know, it's Dutch Bros and it's like, it's so good. But as we were coming back, since it was turning to rush hour when we were coming back, so I was like, I'm not taking the highway home. I'm not driving in rush hour traffic. That's not gonna happen. Basically, you know how on Google Maps you can make it so Siri like doesn't tell you to go on highways? Well, I did that, but then Siri broke or something, and then she didn't tell me when my turn. I'm like how I'm calling it a she, even though it's like low-key a robot, but like whatever. But Siri then didn't tell me when my turn was, and then I missed the turn, and then I kept driving probably for about 5 miles, and then Siri's like, oh wait, so then I was like,
Bro.
You couldn't have told me to make a U-turn earlier, so then I basically drove 10 miles out of my way because Siri didn't do her job correctly. And that's my story. See, I wish I did more interesting things to have better stories, but, you know, I don't. It's like a push-up. That's not at all how you do push-ups, but whatever. Okay, you know what? I got it on there. It's all good. It hasn't fallen yet. Knock on wood. And now it's time for the fun part, which is putting the posters on the wall. So I'm just gonna give you a quick little tour of the posters. Oh my gosh, this is such an awkward position, but you know what? Time to stick the posters on. And I kind of sort them into colors because I am like that, and I'm that person that sorts everything. So here we go, time to stick them on. And yay, finally finished. That took a lot longer than I expected because you know what? Folding the tape and, you know, like taping it, you know, that takes a lot of effort. It's kind of time consuming. But then of course I edited the footage and made it look like it only took a minute to put all the posters up, but psych, it took a lot longer than that, so just FYI. But look at it. You know, it looks okay. Like, I think it looks good. Like,
yeah, it's good. It's good. It's all good.
But I recommend that you go do this because this looks cute. If you have a blank wall in your room, go fill it up with a bunch of these little poster things. So, and now, time to put in an artsy little montage of this. And I guess that's about it. Thanks so much for watching today's video. You know, you're pretty cool. Hope you have a great day. Thumbs up, subscribe, go check out the other social media down below. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.